Hello everybody, we are live here at Animal Kingdom for day one of the Genie Plus. Considering I'm in a scooter, go ahead and go over how it works booking a DAS on Genie Plus. And then from there we'll go check out the kites and kind of do a little walk around the park. So let's get started.
Hey guys, real quickly before we go any further, the person that is that has the disability, that has the DAS under their name, they're the ones that's got to be logged into the Disney My Experience app to pick out the DAS times. If the person is in your party and you're the one logged in, you're not going to see the DAS option in the My Disney Experience. So very important to remember that, because we did run into that. So that's something that I did want to mention. And so here we go. We're going to go ahead and talk to the cast member.
All right, go ahead and click on the app.
Okay.
All right, so this right here, your tip board, kind of basically helps break down for you what is going to be the easiest.
Okay.
And right now it's giving you Magic Kingdom. We don't want to be in the Magic Kingdom.
So we want to change park to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah. So it's basically giving you like the hints like, oh, this is like what the wait times is like for the standby for this. You can do that. They'll break it down. Now, on the main page, if you go here, and if you ever go, there it is. So see this summon Disney Genie, do it at a later time. But it's basically like to call it like a buzz feed. It basically tells you what things that, like you tell Genie what things you like. Do you like thrill rides? Do you like easy rides? Things like that. And Genie will, when you go to view my day, will tell you what you should go do. Instead of wasting your time going all the way to Avatar, you should probably be going to Dinosaur. It's only a 10-minute wait.
Right.
So it's doing the thinking for guests that don't do the thinking. In a sense.
Right.
Everyone reads the blogs and everything. This helps you so you don't have to read the blogs.
Gotcha.
So on the tip board though, it tells you the wait times. Why does it keep on going to Magic Kingdom? It might be because your location thing's not open, so it starts with like the original park.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, so this is the complimentary service here where it basically tells you the wait times and stuff. But if you wanted to like book the Genie Plus for $15, if you click on this, you'd be able to go to Festival Lion King at 1:30.
Okay.
Things like that. Now we should be able to hit Avatar. Let's go here. There we go. So now your request time, if you did it, your return time would be 2:35.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So let's just say I want to ride Everest, because I love Everest.
So let's go to the back button. Yeah.
So go back.
Scroll.
And scroll till we find it.
Everest. There we go. Click on Everest. And then there you go.
Return DAS time. Oh, that's perfect. And look at there.
And then you select it for yourself. And then something goes wrong. Just hit the refresh button to see if that. Oh. Well, at least we know where to go.
So at that point, it was not going to work. We tried several different things. We tried rebooting the phone. We tried refreshing the app. We tried everything. It wouldn't do it. We tried different attractions, and it didn't work the rest of the day. So I can only assume it's a glitch in the app. We're going to go to a different park tomorrow. We're going to see if it's working now, and hopefully it got noted. I did tell a few cast members, hey, that I'm having this problem. Is anyone else having this problem? And they did mention there were others having that same issue. So they went ahead at that point and gave me a DAS return time for Everest. So obviously it didn't work, but they'll get this working. And as you can see, it's very easy to go in there and set up a DAS. So that I'm very, very pleased with. Yeah, it wasn't working the first day, but you know what? They will get this working. So it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get back to the vlog.
So coming into the park, it doesn't seem like it's that bad for the crowd, but we're just coming in, so it's kind of tough to tell. But oh, I love this park. It is so beautiful during the day. All right. So now that I've got my DAS, let's head over to Everest. So hello, it's Norm and Gail, and they are longtime watchers of the channel. And I just ran into them, about to go to Everest, and I ran into them. So how's it going, guys?
We're doing good. Just finished eating that flame tree over there.
How was it? What did you guys get?
The combo, chicken and ribs.
Oh yeah, you know, our Maud Michelle loves, she swears by that chicken. And one of the things I love about that restaurant is the waterfront seats you got there. It's beautiful. You can see the cavalcades come by. It's really nice.
Right, yeah.
So, you guys having a good time today?
Great, yeah.
Is
We've
it-
been coming every couple of weeks and that.
Yeah.
So,
You guys live around Florida?
yeah, she's a cast member.
Oh, you're a cast member. Oh my gosh. Well, hello. How's it going? So, do you guys want to do a photo or anything?
Sure, yeah.
All right, let's. So, you just told me that you're celebrating 20 years as a cast member. Congratulations. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Looking for the Mickey popcorn bucket. You can find them right here. They have them here at Animal Kingdom. And there he is. Look at that, $18 for the Mickey one. And also, if you are a member of Club Brian and Amanda, that is October's giveaway. So it's never too late to join. Well, it will be too late here pretty soon, but still got time. So go to brianandamanda.net, click join, and you'll be automatically entered for this popcorn bucket. But if you're coming out, you can come here to Animal Kingdom. They got plenty of them. I know they got them at Magic Kingdom and here now. So we're gonna go through Dino USA right now to go check out the kite show, or at least check out the hours for the kite show, and then come back and watch it. And then we will go over to Everest. All right, so we're here for the kite show, but we're a little bit early. It's 2:15. We got it till 3:15 until the next show starts. So let's go ride Everest. So yeah, even though I keep trying to use the app to get to go, it errors out once I go to book it. So hopefully in the future that'll work. It's an awesome feature. We just got to get it working. So I'm in Yak and Yeti right now. I'm gonna see if I can get the shaker cup. It's $10 and it comes with a strawberry kiwi lemonade. Doesn't that sound good right now? So they didn't have the shakers, mostly because, well, they had the shakers because they're waiting on a shipment. Haven't we heard that before, over and over again? So another thing being held up by those shipments that we are all talking about. You can add the Yak and Yeti, and I'm sure maybe, you know, by the way, those shakers are available at Yak and Yeti, Rainforest, and several other locations. But man, that is frustrating. But it's not Yak and Yeti or Disney's fault or problem. It's just the way of the world.
Bye-bye, you going? Thank you very much. You're welcome to Harabe. So, you guys tired dancing? You wanna dance more? You wanna dance more? Yeah? Come on. Let me see. Show me your best move. Yes, nice move. Yeah. Aha. Good. Nice move. Nice move. Yes. Aha. Hello, how are you? Cora, K-O-R-A.
So over here in the treats area, I always like to show these off and tease you guys. They all look so good. One thing I'm gonna have to try that Rice Krispie one with the pumpkins on it. All these look really, really good. Some of these things I have had. I like that sugar cookie, that Mickey Mouse one right there. $5.49.
So it's 3:15 and I'm getting ready to watch the kite show and the cast member goes, that's been canceled because of wind. Okay. Man, like nothing is working today.
So I decided, since we can't do the kite show, I will come down to Downland USA and check out Primeval Whirl and see how the demolition's going. Looks like it's going well. The last time we were here. And it's all coming down pretty well. We were here, what, a couple weeks ago? Yeah. There's Mickey. Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto.
Kingdom. We showed you how the Genie system works. Obviously, we had problems with it getting a DAS. I'm not sure if other people ran into that, but I'm sure if I'm having the problem every single time, I'm sure other people are as well. And they'll have this thing up and running. But I like the app. I think once they get all the kinks worked out, I think it's going to be a really, really good addition to coming out here, helping you plan for your trip. It's going to be so much nicer. And unfortunately, it didn't work for us today. Unfortunately, the kites weren't going. It was a little too windy. And also, unfortunately, they didn't have the shaker. So things go in threes. I think it's time I hang it up. But I'm going to get some more video for you guys to post on the channel. But from here, I am Brian, and we are out of here from Animal Kingdom. We'll see you guys real soon. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great night.